Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on adjusting the pricing plans, packages, and membership on Wix.com. So in this video, I will guide you through the process of setting up and customizing pricing plans, packages, and membership features on your Wix website. So first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up using a suitable password, an email account, or some Google account, and after that it is going to help you access your Wix dashboard this way. Here you see this is my Wix dashboard. Now to get started, from here you can access the website editor and start setting up your pricing plans. So let's just give you some brief introduction of what pricing plans, packages, and membership areas are given on Wix. For that, what is the pricing plan on Wix? You see, Wix offers so many pricing plans for its website builders and for e-commerce platforms. These plans are maybe some free plans, they may be the combo plans, or they may also be the e-commerce plans. If we talk about packages, it also gives so many packages for your products and for your services. These may be the digital products, physical products, let's just say tangible goods or some clothing or accessories. It can also be some services. Let's just say consulting, coaching, or some professional services. If we talk about membership, so Wix offers membership features that allows you to create a membership. I would say it is based on the business model. So these memberships may be the member registration, membership levels, or maybe the content restriction. So there are so many benefits of using and adjusting all these things, so let's just get started. So once you get to your dashboard, what you need to do is go to this area. Here you see there's an option of catalog. You are going to click on it, and there you need to go to booking services. From here you can adjust your pricing, your packages, and your membership area. You see this is a new service. It can be in the form of appointment, let's just say virtual consultation, returning client session, price estimate, massage therapy, online fitness training, or the nutritional consultation. So many classes. You see there are weekly class sessions, recurring class, yoga flow, so many options. There are so many courses like corporate seminar, local SEO, social media marketing, or photography basics. Or you can also start something from the scratch for booking your service. Or if you're looking for services like local business, you can search it out over here as well. So right now I'm looking for any one of these. Let's just say I'm going for virtual consultation. I can click on this. Now you see they're going to show me the service type. It is appointment. Service type is virtual consultation. You can enter your tagline over here. You can add a description here. There is the duration. Let's just say you can adjust it according to 15 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, or it can also be custom. You can also adjust your buffer time here. You see there are so many options here. You can also move it to customs. Virtual consultation, pricing, 1 hour time period, that is default, and client's place. It could be the price and payments, they can also be adjusted. So here you're going to choose how your client can pay for this service. They can pay either per session or with a plan, or they can also pay per session or with a plan, both. So you can choose these. You see the clients may pay either per session or with the membership or package. Here the price per session, it could be fixed price. Let's just say I consider move it 2,400 rupees. Now you can also payment preference, entire amount online, entire amount in person, either online and in person, online deposit, and rest in person. Let's just say it is entire amount online. Now the membership and packages, here you can create a new plan if you are looking for that. Or what you can do is simply change the location, or you see they're going to create a new plan for me. by creating the package. You see you can also plan card image here, virtual consultation, per session 200 rupees because I have paid 5 sessions and for 2400 rupees. Now the payment preferences, whether entire amount online, I have given you the detailed introduction about this too. What you can do is membership and packages. Now you can create a new plan by booking the session. You can also change the locations or the client's place. You can edit here. It could be the business location. You can add it over here. It could be the customer location or it could be the client place here. Now there are the options of assigned staff members. You can tag them here, resources and room, images, booking references, booking policy, booking form, request. Booking request could be automatically accept all bookings when available, manually approve or decline the booking request. So this is how you are going to adjust your settings according to what you're looking for. I have given you an example on a virtual consultation. Trust me, if you use these features, you would be easily able to use free plans, combo plans, commerce plans, or you can use the content restriction. It will help you increase your revenue, offer recurring revenue streams through membership or subscription-based models. Or it can also help you improve user experience. It is going to provide you exclusive content or benefits to loyal members or to the customers. It can also help you grow your business because as far as I have used Wix, it helps users to scale their business and reach the new customers by using all these plans that are present, and they are completely adjustable. So these are the few steps. As I've told you guys, first you need to access your Wix dashboard. You need to create a pricing plan. If you have already, you're simply going to make some changes. You are going to customize that pricing plan. You are going to set up your membership features. You are going to package and promote the membership feature because you can use these tools to promote your plans and attract the new members. These can also be used to test and refine your pricing plan because refining your plans as needed to optimize the sales and member engagement. So this is how you are going to adjust all these, what you're looking for. Let's just say you see there are pricing plans over here. You can also click on booking channels. Here you see you could adjust, completely add your Facebook, Instagram, Google, or you can also link in bio. Communications could be used, business management, payroll, invoice, marketing, website widgets, mobile apps. You see, this video is just for the sake of the video, so it does not make complete sense. But when you are deep diving into something meaningful, you see and you understand the meaning of each and every feature, and it will automatically direct you through all these features. Right now what I'm trying to do is show you guys where each and every feature is present, so when you're about to use it, you would be able to find them easily. So yeah, this is how you would be able to find out each and every feature and use them in order to increase your revenue, to improve your user experience, and to grow your business. You see, I went to my catalog here to the booking services. You can change the pricing plans, the gift card, or booking channels. If you go to booking channels, here you see you can link all of these, or you can simply go to your editor. Let's just move to the editor and I will show you guys, and after that I would be wrapping up my video. I would like to show you guys how these are going to offer you to register the membership on your website and create different levels of membership with varying benefits and privileges, how it is going to restrict access to certain contents or features based on the membership level, because some members are allowed to use that, some are not. Or they can also use to make the products downloadable files, let's just say some ebooks or some software. If we talk about packages, they can also provide services. They can also provide the physical product as I've told you guys before. If we talk about e-commerce plan, it is providing you the plan specially designed for online stores with features, let's just say the payment gateways, and to provide the shipping integrations. You see, it is taking about less than a minute to load what you're looking for. And if you like it, you are going to adjust it on your website and simply preview it. Let's just see where it appears. And I'm going to go to my pages. Here I am going to my pricing and plan. It is going to direct me to my pricing and plans here. These are for the beginners, pro, VIP. So this is how you're going to add your pricing and plans into your website that you're going to publish. You can also check it out on your website desktop or to the mobile mode to check out how it is going to appear. These are the pricing plans since I have not made any, so it is not present, but you can use these. I'm going back to the editor. So yeah, if you like these, you are simply going to go publish these, but if you are about to make any changes, you can do that too. So this is how you are going to, successfully adjust pricing plans, packages, and membership on Wix. With these features, I hope you can create a membership-based business model that generates recurring revenues and builds a loyal community for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.